again with Hold and Modify, YouTube's most poorly produced, underproduced Amiga channel. The last video I made, well, we're not going to include the live stream I made, and those of you that tuned into that live stream, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. But the last video I made, I tried to get really technical, and honestly, I fell on my face for that, right? I tried to make a technical video trying to explain something I didn't really understand, and it was a disaster. So I'm going to go ahead and show you something really neat and cool for all you Lightwave people that tuned into that video. We're on my Macintosh right now, as you can clearly see. And what have I got down here? Look at this. Watch this. I'm going to click on the whole layout button, which you might remember. And yeah, we have got Lightwave native Mac ARM. If you look up here, look at my little pointer here, Mac ARM 64. That's right. Lightwave lives on Mac. All right, so what you can see right now is a big giant yellow blob on the screen, and you're not really sure what it's going to be, but I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go, well, let's see. Let's go to the render tab up here in the good old Lightwave program. And as I've said before, it really doesn't look too different from the Amiga version. Well, it actually looks a lot different, but you know, it's basically the same. Let's go over here to IPR and click Open IPR. This is going to launch the Octane IPR Render Preview, which is a GPU render-based system for the current version of Lightwave on Macintosh. It does come with Lightwave. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm working on a 2021 16-inch base model MacBook Pro. So yeah, not the most incredible workstation you could be using for doing this kind of thing, but I can at least show this. And there you go. We got us a board cube. Isn't that great? Oh my gosh, that looks so terrifying. Using a trackpad with your MacBook Pro, by the way, and Lightwave is not really ideal. You really do want to use a mouse. Trying to figure this all out with a trackpad is a little difficult, but you know what? I just wanted to say, look, here you go. GPU rendering on an old MacBook Pro from 2021 in the new version that's available today of Lightwave. You can go get this over at lightwave3d.com, by the way. So you want to go check out if Lightwave is still doing anything nowadays. I know I talk about Amiga Lightwave, but here we go. We got this awesome thing going on. Yeah, that's actually pretty fast. I mean, this is a base model 2021 MacBook Pro, and this is, for a GPU rendering in metal, this is really, look at this. I'm like scrolling around here and just, this is not really, it's not like disappearing into a pile of pixels. That's pretty good. In fact, how many polygons is that? Oh, wow. Okay, so that's 6 million polygons, and not too many images, but there are a lot of lights here. We've got, well, it's not, okay. So if you look here, it says lights 1. There is only one physical actual light, but you see all these little glowy bits in the board cube? Those are called emissives in Octane. And those emissives are technically lights. So there's a lot of lights going on in here. So, hey, you know what? That's not half bad, right? All right, look at that. Lightwave on a Mac using ARM native. And in fact, if we go over here to the little thing here, we type in Activity Manager or Monitor, what you won't see once it loads up, because, you know, it's got to figure out what the hell is running on your system. Look, Lightwave, boom. You're not going to see 64 or Rosetta or anything like that. It is full on ARM, so that's pretty slick. I like that, and yeah, it's quick. I mean, this is actually an old Mac computer, so I'm actually really impressed. And I don't know why I keep saying that, because I don't know. After being obliterated for trying to show field rendering, I figured I just wanted to show something else that was awesome. So here we go. Here's our nodes. Look at that. That looks pretty awesome. We got all kinds of cool Octane stuff happening in here. Go down to Imager, Camera. Oh, look at this. Yes, see all the settings here. So yeah, Lightwave, Octane, you know, it's all free. It comes with it. You got to pay for the Lightwave, of course, but the Octane thing comes with it for free for GPU rendering, and it's pretty awesome. And it's compatible across multiple platforms, including Windows. So yeah, all right. Well, you know what? Thanks for watching, and I guess I'm done with this video.